Merry Christmas. I'm going to take this opportunity on this beautiful day to do a camera test and see how things are going to work. I'm going to head over to Meadow and do a quick walk around the 1.8 mile path they have there. Wood's looking pretty empty today. Meadow. Gonna do a walk down the path. I think it's 1.8 miles. See if I can get this done before the rain starts in. And we have some people at the dog park area. Looks like a nice place to let a dog run. I think they did a great job restoring this meadow and putting in this path. Nice little deer trail through the meadow. A little too muddy for me to walk down though. I keep wondering how old settlers and wagon trains got through these meadow areas. Somewhere through the trees there is the Des Plaines River. I don't think it's too far, but there's no way I'm going to try trekking through there to get to it. We're at mile 1. Well, we are back at the truck. Couldn't ask for a better walk and better weather on Christmas Day.